Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega gleanyeji, Toboli. Nega nyoanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamo, Mega favile zamenamo. Nadena hokwela siyo dablo, Devielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Hello
everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. We are still in the beautiful city of Atakpame, and today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare Ayimolu. So Ayimolu is widely eaten in Togo and Ghana. In Ghana they call it Waakye, but today we are preparing it the Togolese way, and we are preparing Ebesse Fion Fion, or the same thing, to eat the Ayimolu. You guys, I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. A lot of people love it here in Togo and Ghana. You know, mostly they take it for breakfast, even lunch and dinner, because it's very affordable. With as little as 100 francs, you can get a good plate of Ayimolu to fuel your stomach. So I'm going to show you guys how they do it over here in Atakpame. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, so we are making our fire, and of course we are using firewood. So to begin the process of our Ayimolu, we are going to heat up some water because we are using dry beans and it takes time to cook. So with the help of our firewood, is going to cook like very fast. We are going to heat up some water. When the water is boiling, we are going to add in the beans, and when the beans is half done, we will add in the rice. Yeah, that's how it's done here in Togo. For people who are wondering what Ayimolu is made of, it's just beans and rice with some limestone. But in Ghana, a lot of people add like the coloring to make it like reddish, but here it's just the beans, the rice and the limestone with some salt, and you know, they serve it with the Ebesse Fion Fion, of course. So to proceed with the making of our Ayimolu, we will go ahead and select the beans, because you can see they have like bad ones inside like this. Just have to go ahead and take it out. And after selecting the beans, we'll go ahead and wash it. Yeah, but the beans is clean though, it's very clean, but we just have to select it because sometimes you can find like stone inside as well. Yeah, you don't want to feel any stone when you are eating. Let's proceed with the washing. Just to get rid of sand. The water is boiling so hard, oh my goodness. Yeah, so go ahead and add in the beans into the boiled water. We'll boil this until it's soft. Yeah, so in our pot of beans, we are going to add in some limestone, because it facilitates the cooking of the beans. And right now we are going to add in the limestone into our pot of beans. In less than 30 minutes this is going to cook. It's going to be ready. Yeah. And into our pot of Ayimolu, we are adding in some salt, just like this, and that's it. When the beans is almost done, we are going to add in the rice, and they are going to nicely cook together. Yummy. I can't wait, guys. You will notice that because of the limestone, the pot is foaming a lot. And let me tell you one thing about limestone. You know, when you add limestone to your beans, you don't have like stomach ache, nothing at all. And yeah, I have to constantly blow it so that it doesn't go over the pot. Oh my goodness, can you see the magic? We are adding in the rice already. Yeah, because the beans is almost ready, and we are going to cook this until everything is nicely soft and ready to serve. Yeah, that's our pot of Ayimolu. So our pot of Ayimolu is almost ready, and we are adding in more limestone because the beans is quite hard. Let me see. Yeah, it's ready. Finally, our Ayimolu too has been cooked. This is what it's looking like, you all. Yeah. So we are going to serve our Ayimolu with Ebesse Fion Fion. And to make our Ebesse Fion Fion, we need dry fish. This is dry fish right here. Of course, we need some pepper, a lot of pepper, because like without pepper you can't make Ebesse Fion Fion. And we need a lot of ginger, onion, and of course we need garlic as well. And you guys, it will show you that you can store Ebesse Fion Fion for almost 2-3 months and it won't go bad. Yeah, so that's the magic I'm about to show you guys. And yeah, we need rosemary, black pepper as well. Yeah, and of course Maggi and salt, and that's it. So usually we have to clean the fish, you know. You have to take out the head and bones. And dry fish is quite expensive now though. We got this for 500 francs. So right now we'll go ahead and peel the ginger, the garlic, and the onion. Yeah. For our Ebesse Fion Fion, we are going to fry the pepper first so that the pounding will be easy. Yeah, that's why we have this pot right here and we are ready to fry. Yeah, so we are going to fry the pepper first. So after frying the pepper, we are taking it out and we can proceed with the pounding. Yeah. You see that after frying it, it's very easy to pound. Up and down, 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 up and down. That's the effect of the frying. Now we are adding the ginger, the garlic, and the onion. Grandma, fais attention. So it's time to fry our fish. So you know when you are doing your Ebesse Fion Fion, you have to constantly stir, because if you don't, it's going to burn, and it will give this bitter smell, that this bitter taste that is very unpleasant. So usually you have to sit and stir all through until everything is dry. And Ebesse Fion Fion with Shito is very, very important to Ghanaian and Togolese people, because they use it in eating a lot of things like rice, Ayimolu, which is Waakye, and the akpang. So I'm just going to sit here and stir all through until everything is ready. So you can serve Ayimolu as well with some oil, and you can, to add flavor to the oil, you can add in some onion, and that's it. We are just going to heat it up a little just to give flavor to the oil though. Yeah, so this is the oil, flavored oil with onion. and we are going to serve this with our Ayimolu. You guys, this is amazing. So now we are going to dish out the Ayimolu and we'll give it a try. This is what our Ayimolu is looking like. Wow. Now you scoop some oil just like this. Wow, you guys. And we are adding in our Ebesse grandmama. That's it. Okay. So this is what our plate is looking like. So we are about to give a try. Yeah, we are about to give it a try and let's see. Heavenly, come this way. Heavenly too can't wait to try. So soft. The aroma is amazing. 2 seconds to ajoute l'huile, oignon dans l'huile, ça change. It's really good.
On était petit. Si on vient de
Let me carry you.
C'est comme ça que la maman fait vite, on mange pour retourner encore à l'école le soir.
Donc quand tu rentres comme ça, tu es content pour manger.
Ça n'a pas besoin de beaucoup de choses.
Wow.
On peut pas faire Ebesse Fion Fion, on met l'huile dedans. On mange, pas fatigué.
Precious. Yeah, it's so good. Avant quand j'arrivais ici au Togo, je n'aimais pas ça.
Et maintenant, pourquoi tu aimes ça?
Je ne sais pas.
Pourquoi tu aimes ça maintenant? Parce que avec 100 francs, si tu arrives au bord de la route, Ayimolu 100 francs, c'est fini.
Oui.
Tu vas boire de l'eau sur ça.
Et quand tu manges ça aussi longtemps, ça devient doux dans la bouche.
Surtout si on met l'haricot dedans. Des fois, on fait simple sans haricot.
Oui, il y a les dames là qui vendent
simple,
ils n'ajoutent pas.
Mais s'il y a l'haricot dedans,
c'est très... Tu sais, comme on a préparé ça sur le bois, ça ajoute le goût aussi. This is awesome. So if you enjoyed the video, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video,
je vais m'asseoir encore. Heavenly. Heavenly. Viens, on va manger.
Take. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Yeah, come this way. Like, comment and share because it really helps the channel. Thank you guys for watching and until next time, bye.